Hey guys, we're just walking around in a creek.
Great.
Hold on, I'll show you. Well, never mind. I can't turn around. So, I didn't know what to do.
Oh, tell them about your new camera, how crappy it was.
It's bad. I'm not going to be using it.
We were so excited.
I was really excited.
Oh, by the way, we have concealed weapons. We have our concealed weapons license. I have 2 knives in one. I'm fancy like that.
Chill. I know. I really want to cut a log.
Hey, if we see a snake, I'm like running for life.
I'm not. I'll pick it up. No, I won't. That's why I'll run away too. Okay, we're going to find a place to do something and then I'll come back. Okay, so right now we're going to pick up some pieces of wood and make seats.
We're the nature survivors.
Oh yeah. Okay, so I'll get back when we're done and show you. See. Okay, so we just finished that. They're not exactly how we wanted them to be. Give sticks. Okay, so I'll show you how they are. I don't really know what we're gonna do, but I guess.
I'm making my log my home.
Okay.
Hello.
See, I have them like move. We have them like this. That's mine. That's that.
I got a tiny one, of course, because I'm the non-important one.
Yeah.
Set up. Took forever.
Yeah, we literally. I don't trust you with that. You're on a log with a rock behind you.
That's true.
Very rolly.
Oh, by the way, I like twisted my ankle and fell and then hit my butt on the, like the brick edge of my doorstep. So now I think I broke my butt, so,
But she's sitting on it. Yeah.
Well, what else am I supposed to sit on?
Kind of looks like a butt.
Don't do it towards you. Got Mrs. Idiot over here. Crap, it's on.
This is not good wood to do this.
It's good enough. It is easier to do.
It's like where the club is. That's easier wood.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, see?
Thick. It's like really wet. Or like it's like.
I think it's dry.
Is that what I meant to say?
I play music.
Pause it.
Maybe I'll try to find a different stick.
We're not pausing this video again. We paused it like 15 times. My knife isn't as good as yours. Look at this mouth style. Whoa!
What?
Didn't notice it had a spear already.
More than you, and you started before me. She refused to do anything, so I had to do everything. She said, no, that's too many bugs. That down right now?
No, I'm not talking about that knife.
What?
It came off in my hand. It came off in my hand.
I thought you were shoving the knife in my face outside.
No!
This is like the house made for, the wood made for house.
What?
Like the hardwood. Quit poking me with your stick.
Ow, my legs are itchy. I have a knife.
What? I just put my finger in front of the knife.
What? I told you we got an idiot over here.
I do. That didn't make sense. I really just want to carve out this one pair of sticks.
Let's try.
Quit poking me! Hold it still. No, I ain't doing that. It's too long. Okay.
hard.
You've been using the wrong end.
Yeah. I've been using the jagged end.
There's another idiot.
I'm sorry. That's not other knife. Is this a cable? Okay.
This is gonna work. Look at this. We need to like go camping.
Is this our firewood?
No, like we need to go camping like when it gets, because then it's supposed to like get colder. Not like cold, but like temperatures are going down.
Temperatures are going down.
We can just like get food, sleeping bags,
Already
come
have
down
a sleeping
here,
bag.
build a fire. My dad has a tent. We can make
My
a
dad
video
has
on
a tent
that.
too. You know
We
what?
can have our own tent. You know what?
This is boring.
I like it.
I don't know what to do. I can't cut this.
You gotta like go. You know, you don't cut it. You go like this.
I know you're supposed to go like that. My knife doesn't do that.
You get a new stick.
Okay, it's sort of doing it now. Of course, when you tell me, it starts doing it perfectly.
Shut up. Doing it right. You're going.
And I was.
It won't work.
I was not.
It won't
Ow,
work.
I stabbed
And then you went. Why isn't it working, Grandma?
Oh, wait.
What?
Emma, we have to give off the warning. First of all, I think we told you this at the first start of the video. These are concealed weapons. We have our
Yeah.
concealed weapon license. Don't tell us to show you because they have private numbers on them.
No, I don't actually.
Mine does.
There's so much wood chips. Oh my! I swear, if another freaking mosquito touches me again, I'm gonna kill it.
I feel like
just
a
did it.
Native American.
I am. I was born in America. I'm Native American. Excuse me. Yo, freaking crap.
Oh, I'm doing it.
Good.
Stabbing it now. Some good bark.
Okay,
You know Native Americans use
let's
seed
go do
bark.
something else.
I just now started. Well, that's a beautiful rock that you had that laying on.
So, when I was showing you that, my phone turned off. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna go up this
You know
hill.
what we should do? Hey, Emma, come back. We
What?
should find a good tree and throw our knives at it.
Oh God, no! I'm gonna miss. I'm gonna accidentally hit myself somehow.
How do you want to hit yourself?
Come on.
Ow, my back.
Okay, so I'll meet you at the top of that hill. Okay, so we're at the top of the hill now, and I think that's gonna be it. I don't know what to do anymore. Where is it? You can kind of see it.
Oh, I left my train down there.
Chain. Good job. Okay, so
I'm walking all the way back down there.
I might make a new vlog soon. I don't know, or something soon.
I'm bored.
Okay, so see ya.